Show Maggie all the Christmas. Look at all the Christmas decorations in Aruba.
Coming back out.
Guys, it's gonna be a bit windy, so hold on your Christmas belongings well. Our caps, glasses, big mustaches, big face, anything that can fly overboard. Because overboard just seems to be like Vegas. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, so what goes overboard stays overboard. Except you guys, that we have to turn around. Okay guys, introducing the crew members. Right in front, you've got me. Over there you have him. Tell to me and him. Hi everybody.
Hey!
Good night, my name is Alvaro. I'll be your narrator today. Hi there everybody, my name is Alvaro. Hi Alvaro, everybody, hello, hi. Okay, bring it back and our captain today. His name is Igsan. Say hi to Igsan. Hi Igsan! Guys, welcome to the island of Aruba. It's a bit rainy today, but normally it's sunny weather most of the time. You guys are in a few 50 minutes, you're gonna get to the dive side. If it starts splashing, I'm sorry, you can't control that. Salt water has good minerals. Okay guys, I'm gonna be demonstrating right away our safety equipment in case of an emergency we do not want. You guys know what to do, okay? So guys, the first safety equipment is not located under your seat. Where is it located? There's a compartment on the right side, at the back, inside with the orange life jacket. This one right here. Very simple to use, guys. If you pull the seat sideways, it's not being altered the best you have through the hole. When you have it on, this long strap right here, dancing around your waist. And you secure it by the buckle. Yeah, you secure it right here. There's another one under the chin, you secure it and you're ready to go. So guys, everybody that's sitting to the left side, the left door right there for you. Everybody the right side, that right door is for you, please, an emergency. Guys, I don't want this, I hope neither do you, but in case of somebody gets a heart attack, we have this AED system on board. It's right here, by the captain, okay?
Okay.
Let's go over the second safety equipment that's on board the submarine.
Does Aruba have a volcano? Or that is a mountain?
Have you ever seen this before in your life? Yes, no, where, maybe? Airplane? Yes, this is the thing you use in airplanes. And this will be located in the submarine. If you need to go to the submarine, that's it for you, okay? I think up my hat because this is actually the submarine that you have to fit in it. Okay guys, so we go there. Let's put strap on top, hold the strap to one side of the hand. You need to see. Okay guys, I have to inform you we only have one restroom for you. This one right here in the back. If you need to set some storage people, let's use it right here, okay? So guys, do not put any people out in the boat because when we started, it will not work anymore, okay? So what else you see the south side of Aruba? Over there you see the forward jump. If you guys have the pull the forward, the ship forward, that right there was never in the movie, ever. Was abandoned here quite time ago. It was anchored over there to the left. One day this anchor got loose, it's been beached here in this channel for 9 years. This is rules that sea finders, keepers, boozers, weavers. So, you never know. So guys, I know you're on vacation. Are we celebrating something special today? Do we have birthdays on board? We begin to the Cartagena Harbor, and also this big opening coming up at the right side. Attention is going to take you at that opening to see that all the skirts of these three islands.